What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Osama Bin Laden here. We're coming back with a 0 subscriber special for you. Yeah, I think we're gonna make some friends at the beach. I brought some Cheez-Its. You know, everyone likes Cheez-Its. Yeah. Oh, you see, I got my bike over here, man. His name's Charlene. My dog's name was Charlene, you know. Charlene. You see here, we got some crossovers, some freaking kickstands, all this good stuff. 6 freaking gears, 6 freaking speeds. Ain't nobody got this on. In the video. So as you can see, somebody of those humans here. See, like, just take a look. I don't even know. So, may have to come back at a later time. Do all that good stuff, like maybe like nibble on their thighs, bite their toenails, all that good stuff. Butt cheeks on a stick! No! Back at it again. Me and Cheez and Billy are here. We're gonna go make some food at the beach over there. I'm hyped. I don't know about you, friends. Okay, I found some prey over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't mind if I sit here.
Oh, sit here?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Thanks. Want to get some Cheez-Its?
Not really.
What?
Not really.
Not really what?
I want Cheez-Its.
Oh, man. That hurts my feelings, you know.
Okay.
Well, see y'all later. So to wrap this video up, so basically what happened was I started to make certain noises. Yeah, and so they said that it was sexual harassment. I mean, like, what? Where did they even get that from? So they forced me to get up and leave. Well, you know, just like, comment, and subscribe.